Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use ExMate application. So first of all you need to install, then simply tap on the open button. Then you have to create your account. So you can create your account with Google, so sign up with Google, tap here. I already tapped my account, so it's loading now for a while to get the interface. So this is role play you can use, so you have to give next step. I just keep the default. It's loading now, so you can see. So now you can start chatting, and here you will find a lot of character. You can swipe, right swipe, busy wife, you can see here man, women. So simply tap when you choose someone, simply tap this to chat. You have to give your name, that's something I'm just giving name. And you can see this is it's little laggy, but this time I'm just going to, so you can see here you have something, but it's not free, like you have to buy the premium. So you'll just save for send a message. So it's like something actionable. So you can see here